At the end of this lesson, you will know whether or not these shapes have lines of symmetry. Hi, today we are going to work with Common Core State Content Standard 4GA3. Recognize a line of symmetry for a two-dimensional figure as a line across the figure such that the figure can be folded along the line into matching parts. Identify line-symmetric figures and draw lines of symmetry. A figure has line symmetry if it can be folded over a line so that one half of the figure matches the other half exactly. The fold line is the line of symmetry. A shape is symmetrical if it has at least one line of symmetry. Lines of symmetry can be drawn vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. Let's look at the hospital sign on the screen to determine if it has line symmetry. The hospital sign could be folded on a vertical line, and one side of the figure would match the other side exactly. So the sign has line symmetry. The hospital sign can also be folded on a horizontal line, and the top of the figure would match the bottom exactly. This shows another way the sign has line symmetry. This image displays both lines of symmetry of the hospital sign. Some figures have only one line of symmetry. This heart is divided by a vertical line, and both halves are exactly the same. Some figures have more than one line of symmetry. If we draw a vertical line, both halves of this figure match exactly. If we draw a horizontal line, the top and the bottom of this figure match exactly. If we draw a diagonal line, the two halves match exactly. And if we draw another diagonal line, the two halves match exactly. This figure has 4 lines of symmetry. And some figures do not have any symmetry at all. This scalene triangle is not symmetrical. It does not have any lines of symmetry. Remember, if a two-dimensional figure can be folded into 2 matching halves, it has line symmetry. The fold is the line of symmetry. Not all shapes have line symmetry. A shape only needs one line of symmetry to be symmetrical. Some shapes have multiple lines of symmetry. I hope you found this lesson informative.